Hello, everyone. How are you guys? Hello, hello. So
Hello.
welcome to the first session of the Lightning Hackathon. My name is Dea Reskita. I am the organizer of the Indonesia Bitcoin Conference. And then in here we have Ricky and also Bunny that
Hello,
that's going
everyone.
to support you guys. So hi, everyone. Hello, 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 hello. I
Hello.
see here. Maybe you guys can write down on the chat, like, where are you guys are located. So then that will be very, interesting to see where everyone is at. Okay. So yeah, from Sydney, Marcus from Sydney. There's one from Jakarta, Jogja, Bangalore, Bogor. Is there anyone from Surabaya? No?
Cibaduyut.
Yeah, somehow.
Cibaduyut. Okay, okay. All right. So, oh, Madura. We have Paman from Madura. All right, amazing. So what's going to happen today? Today we're gonna have several live session, as you guys know from the email. So this session is about the introduction about Lightning Hackathon, and then after this there will be a session from Bani here that will talk about the basics of building and developing Lightning apps. But it's in Bahasa Indonesia. So for those who non-Bahasa Indonesian speaker, later like we will upload it on our channel, and hopefully we can have also the English subtitles. But after Bani session, we also going to have a session from our content partner, Get Albi. So he's going to talk about intro of WebLN. All right. So let's maybe before we start, Ricky and Benny, you guys can also introduce yourself.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe I can start first.
Right.
Hi, my name is Bunny, and I am a Bitcoiner. Now I work as a software developer, mainly writing in C. So yeah, that's it about me.
Bunny is a super shadow coder from Indonesia. Also Ricky, go ahead.
Yo. My day-to-day job is agile coach. Working in old financial system. I'm working for bank, a digital bank in Indonesia. So yeah, also a big winner and helps promoting the hackathon, helping there to promote the hackathon.
All right. Okay, so let's get started then, shall we? I'm just going to share my screen here. So today, this is the kickoff for the Lightning Hackathon session. So thank you so much for all the participants who already applied. We are very excited to have and to see like what are the innovation that you guys can create in the Lightning Lightning Network app. So maybe just a little bit background about why we are doing this Lightning Hackathon is just because I know that there are a lot of great developers out there in Indonesia, especially that already create like amazing application or even products out there. And we see that there is a gap between maybe some understanding of people about Lightning and what is the potential of having an application that support this instant almost zero payment uh, to anyone around the world, and it's the possibility is endless, right? So we would love to see the innovation or great ideas coming out of all the participants here that potentially can help Indonesia, we saw that there are cool apps from Africa, even some part of Southeast Asia. So we want to also put Indonesia in the map, that Indonesia can create something exciting in Bitcoin space, in the Lightning Network space. So that's the main purpose of this Lightning Hackathon. Maybe some of you already know about Lightning Network before, or some of you this is like their first time understanding about Lightning. So we want to try to make it very very easy for you, but also allow you to be creative and be innovative, right? So yeah, so that's the background of the Lightning Hackathon. And just to give an idea about what's going to happen next, because this is actually kind of hybrid hackathon. We are trying, this is our first hackathon. So we are trying to see like how we can combine online and also offline aspect to the hackathon itself. How many of you guys have joined hackathon before? Maybe you guys can also share your comment on the box, so then we know who's done a hackathon previously. So yesterday we closed the registration. We got around 80 participants from Indonesia and from all over, some people from all over the world. So this is very exciting. So today until tomorrow, we have a hackathon session. So there are like a live session, and there's also a pre-recorded one that provided by our content partner ZBD. So you guys can go ahead, look into the links that I sent you via email. We are going to continue adding more resource there. So it's not only on the 7th to the 8th, today and tomorrow. It's not only the time for the session, but there will be like more session throughout the month before the judging and demo day. So it's good for you to equip your knowledge, etc. So yeah, just go to the links, hackathon session, where you can find all the agenda and resources. So from the 7, 8 and onwards, you guys can start creating your Lightning Network apps ideas. You can start coding. You can even, if you would like to team up with people, you can also use this opportunity. Later, Ricky will explain to you how you can find your team. So yeah, you can use all the resources, all the knowledge that you got on the session and also outside. The submission deadline is going to be on October 21st. And then we are going to announce the finalists on the October 23rd. And we would like the finalists to come to Bali to present their project and their application to do a live demo in front of the judges. So it's going to be from starting at 10 a.m. Bali time at the Prime Plaza Hotel. So like one day before the conference. And then you guys can, and it's not only just finalists, like we are also welcoming all the other hackathon participants to join the session, the demo, but also to join the conference, because on the 26th to 27th, we are going to have Indonesia Bitcoin Conference. It's going to be very exciting because we have so many speakers from that work in the Bitcoin space, and then there are very comprehensive or even like more practical stuff that you can learn from them to to expand your projects even much bigger. We have like a session, for example, like how you can raise funding from the Bitcoin VC, or maybe like how you can finance your open source project. Let's say if you are thinking about doing an open source, or even something that is more technical, like how you run node, or how you do different activity in Bitcoins like coin join and etc. Or even just like to understand and learn from the existing Bitcoin Lightning apps developer out there, like what is their challenges and their key learnings. This is a very good way to network. So yeah, I'm very recommended for everyone to join the conference on October 26 to 27, because we're going to have the announcement on the last day, and also it's a good way to connect with all the Bitcoiners. Okay, and so yeah, the grand prize. We have a very cool grand prize here, sponsored by our sponsor, from Human Rights Foundation and also For Good Venture. They are really kind enough to give us prizes. The first winner will get 75 million rupiah, or roughly around $5,000. And then the second winner will get 45 million, around $3,000. And then the third place will get $2,000, or 30 million Indonesian rupiah. So yes, I mean, this is good start. If you can present a really good project, then you get a chance to expand it even further. From our idea is that from this grand prize, you can expand the projects and then make it even more accessible for Indonesian and also from everyone around the world. And then so what will be the judging criteria? We are going to judge the application based on the innovation. Is it something that we've never seen before, or does it bring something new or exciting? We also going to see the product market fit. We are trying to narrow the application that can be relevant for Indonesia. And I mean, there are so many things that you can do. Indonesia is like a country that where we have a lot of diversity, right? Like with a lot of peoples, and I'm sure there's also a lot of problems that can be solved through the Lightning Network app. So yeah, like can it provide the value for the Bitcoin ecosystem, and can it also solve the problems in Indonesia? The third one is about scalability, like how well it can be scaled, not only for like the Indonesian market, but also for global adoption. We're also going to see like your attention to details, how well the project has been executed. Even though like we would love for you to have already like a running app, but even if it's just a concept, we need to also see like how it can work, how it fit with the market, but also like, do you have an attention to details, even if it's just like still in a concept wise. And then user experience, how well the application user experience going to be. And then does it have an extra coolness, like is it cool, is it something that exciting, right? So this is the judging criteria. We are going to check the project based on this, and also announce the winner based on those criteria as well. Okay, so I'm going to now pass it to Ricky to talk about now, if you have already an idea like how you can submit the project. So I'm just going to stop my screen. And then, yeah, go ahead, Ricky.
Yo, thank you, Dea. So this is how you submit your project. So sounds administrative, but it's a fun platform that we will going to use. We will submit our project in bold.fun. Okay. And if you haven't been here, this is a social network for Bitcoin builder. And here you can see there are a lot of hackathons running now, and we are actually a part of a bigger hackathon. Correct me if I'm wrong, Dea.
Yes,
There's
correct.
Legends of Lightning, and then this is the second uh, uh, second tournament, yeah, of Legends of Lightning. And you are, is it okay for you to submit your project also to the Legend of Lightning after our conference? And and for these competitions, the first prize is 1 Bitcoin. Okay, so you can this is another level, yeah, the world level. So yeah, you can practice from our competition first, our local track Indonesian. And what you will need to do first, of course, you need to sign in. And please raise your hand if you already tried signing or sign up with Lightning Network. Please raise your hand. I want to see in the Zoom. This is one cool feature of Lightning. Yeah. Okay, majority of you already try to sign, but some still not. So I will show it to you now that you can sign in with your Bitcoin Lightning app wallet. Okay. I'm taking this.
I cannot see, mommy. What's it? Mommy? Can? Mommy? Mommy?
Somehow I cannot click it.
Where are you? Mommy?
I think someone is calling for mom. Ricky, I cannot hear you. Can you hear?
Sorry.
Mommy, mommy, mommy.
It seems that my laptop is kinda on high load. I cannot click. Oh yeah, still loading now.
What are you doing?
So still loading. Yeah, this one. Can sign in with Lightning here.
I cannot see your screen. I think you.
I haven't shared my screen.
No, try again.
I'll try. Yeah. Now, can you see?
Yes.
Yep.
Oh, let's try again. Okay, now I can click it. So this, you have an option to sign in or sign up with email also, but I would suggest you to sign in with Lightning because this is our stuff, isn't it? Okay, I click it. Give me a second. I need to kill some of my apps.
Okay. Maybe I
Yeah,
can
too
try
heavy.
to share my screen.
Yep,
Maybe
that would be better.
let's see. Okay. So yeah. So you guys, can you see my screen? Both of fun?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah. So the way you do it is that you go to sign in here, and you can sign in with Lightning. So if you have your Lightning wallet, like what Satoshi, Phoenix, you can just scan this code. So let me just try to scan it
And if you use the extension Lightning, you can copy the LN URL.
Yeah,
like
so it says
get
it's
ugly.
logged in, and then it's already know that this is me. And the way we do it is that you go to tournament, and then you can see in here Legend of Lightning Volume 2. So this is our hackathon is part of that Legend of Lightning. So you can go few details here. There will be like a prompt here to register. So if you click that register, you can join the Legend of Lightning. As you can see, we are part of as the partner conference. And what is the cool thing about Legend of Lightning is that, in this Bolt.fun, you can see their schedules, there's workshop. You can also even see like who are the makers that currently hacking at Legend of Lightning. Just FYI, it's not only us, not only the Indonesian participant, but there's also like another people from around the world. So you can just you can put yourself status if you are looking to connect with someone or you want to hack in solo. So like for example, this is Ricky. So you can also create projects together with Ricky, right? And in here, you can also see what are the projects that already being submitted. So this is like all the projects that is being submitted at the Legend of Lightning, but you can specifically choose the Indonesia Bitcoin Hackathon. So this are the project that is going to be posted at the hackathon. Is your things already working, Ricky?
Sorry. No.
Okay.
So yeah. So hi.
Okay, so this one, okay. So let's say you already created a project, then you can go to project and then you can click add project. So for example, I already have this set for all, set for all demo purpose. And then you can choose here Indonesia Bitcoin Hackathon, and then you can enter the project to determine. It will show at down here. And the way you add the project, you can go here, right? Write project. And then you can write down your project name. So for example, let's say I want to create a charity app, right? And then you can create the link of your project, the tagline, and you can also add all the links that is related to your development. So if you have your GitHub, if you have even, let's say, the Figma file, you can also add this, what type of category, the screenshot of your app. So this will be that you fill it, then you can choose theme, and you can choose also like additional information on the extras. But yeah, then when you submit the project, you go to the tournament, you go to Legend of Lightning, go to project and add project. Okay, cool. So we
have someone raised in their hand in the audience.
Go ahead. Let's stop sharing. Anyone want to ask?
Maybe not.
Maybe not. All right.
I'll just ask a simple question, if you don't mind. Can you edit the details and add some more details after you create it? Very basic question, if you know.
I think you can.
Okay, we'll see. Thanks.
Okay, so we will post like more comprehensive tutorial how you can submit the project in there. I think Alex is raising his hand. Yes, no?
Sorry, I'm just clicking around like an idiot.
Okay, great. So since we are running out of time for this session, I will, if you guys have any question regarding the session, later you can also, we can continue on the Q&A at Bani session, the next one, at the dasar pengembangan Bitcoin or the basic. Otherwise, then we can close this session and then we continue on the Bani session. Okay, thank you so much for attending this one, and I'll see you in the next session, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.